Hi, this is Kevin's European Garage, and today I'm going to be changing the rear tow arms on this 99 Porsche 911. See that I removed the wheel from the car. Now let's go look at this rear tow arm. So this is it right here. This is the arm that I'm going to be replacing. This ball joint has gone bad, so I've got a little play back in this tire over here. So let's replace that. First, we're going to have to lower the sway bar down. So you got the two bolts over here and two bolts on the other side, so we can get access to the bolt over here. That's for the control arm. So let's lower this down. All right, so to remove the sway bar, we're going to take these two 13mm bolts off. Repeat for the other side. Now with the sway bar down, we can get access to the bolts over here. Okay, now we got the sway bar out of the way over here. So what we're going to do is that since I am not getting an alignment right away after this, I still have a couple other things I want to do, and I'm waiting for you to get some coilovers in. I'm going to mark this bolt over here. I'm going to put a couple lines on it so that I remember where my alignment is on this. So at least the car won't be too far off after replacement of these arms. So let me do that now. I'm going to make a mark on the top and also on the bottom. I know it's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. And this will help keep us in alignment. Of course, you can't use any air tools because you can't get inside there, so you have to kind of take apart a little bit at a little. I'm actually pretty lucky because this thing broke free pretty easy. It wasn't seized like a lot of these cars, especially up in New England. This could be in pretty rough shape trying to do this. It doesn't look like the bushing is in that bad a shape. Looks like it's pretty stiff still. It's just unfortunately this joint right here that's got play in it, so I'm changing it. And that's why I didn't really care, and I just hit it with a hammer. And even though it was a brass hammer, it still kind of rounded off the edge over here. It shows you that they're using some a little bit of soft metal. So I got a brand new factory Porsche one to put in its place. So this is the old one compared to the new ones. They pretty much look the same, except for the bushing slightly different. And this one, actually, upon further inspection, you can see a little bit of delamination. So it's definitely worn, even though when you're moving around, you can't really feel it. But it's starting to come apart a little bit. Eventually, you know, maybe not now, maybe not next year, but eventually that would have started to fail. And the new ones are also a 997 part number. So 997.331.245.03. instead of the 996 part number that's on this. So a slightly newer version made by TRW. All right, let's put the new one in. Make sure that washer is in the correct place in the back. It is slotted. So before I tighten this all the way, I'm going to lift up the suspension over here to give it a little preload, like as if it's on the ground, and this will set the bushing in the proper location. Yeah, so now they got this thing tightened up over here. You got it preloaded. We'll adjust this now so to get the alignment marks in there correctly. Double check my alignment marks. Those marks are pretty close to where they were before. Now it's time to tighten it up. One last final check. Looks right to be where it was last time. I think it looks good. Now it's time to repeat it for the other side. So now that both of the tow arms are replaced, now it's time to put back the sway bar. So that's how you change the rear tow arms on a Porsche 911 996 model. This should also apply for the 997. Should be very similar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Check back often. We should have more videos coming up soon. Thanks.